Alright guys, just want to do a quick video of my Comms Gear Supply braided fiber mic. This is hands down the most durable mic I've ever had. With a lot of previous mics, I've had issues with the wires and these ends right here getting wear and tear. I haven't had that issue with mine. I have it weaved through my MOLLE on this Safariland Oregon City carrier, through here and through here. The way these wires are, you can set yours up in multiple different ways. And I have it set up right here. And the mic is right next to my mouth. With this big mic, you don't have to speak directly into it as well. And it's a very, very good system. I prefer this over any other mic. I used to have the Hawk earpiece after this, or before this, and I prefer this setup much, much more. The customer service for Comms Gear Supply is also outstanding. Any other questions? Feel free to hit me up.